One day, I went to a magical world and I watched them. They didn't even know I was there. And these are their stories. The stories of Play-doh City. Here is episode 1. Oh yeah, just to tell you, it's nothing like Play World. We did not get any ideas from Play World. And we did not get the Taco Shop from the Modern Warfare games. And we did not get the free shop show on Disney Channel. Actually, I don't think they have that, so I don't have to worry. Here is the story of waiting for some business. I'm waiting for some business.
Hello!
Hello! Hi there, little guy. What would you like today?
You can see me?
Yeah.
That's good!
I have a security camera. Yeah, you don't see that giant thing over there to your right?
What are you doing at me? It hits me. I'm leaving now.
No, you have to buy a taco. If you come in here, you have to pay $5 to buy a taco.
What kind are they?
We got Fury Vengeance, we got taco meat, taco shells, and just regular tacos.
How can I Fury Vengeance?
The regular Fury Vengeance or a Fury Vengeance shell?
The whole thing.
$10.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's a good deal. Why can't I just take the meat of both of them and shape them because we're all clay? I'm sorry, we're not clay, we're Play-Doh! Play-Doh! I just take part of my body and turn it into a vengeance.
I gotta get my scissors so I can move.
No! Not the scissors! Well, I'm gonna make my own taco. See? Look at it now! It's huge!
So you gotta buy something, you're gonna have to pay the $5.
I'm leaving.
No, you're paying $5. You're paying $5.
I'm leaving the shop. It's gonna cost less than that. It's gonna be free.
No, and you'll never get that business open. 12 years later, when he opened his business, the free store, and he stands on top of his building all day. 3, 2, 1. Here's the shop.
There I am. Just sitting here. Move my shop.
To eat some chicken. Eat some
Here I am. This is on. Why are they doing it on someone else? I hate this thing. Okay, I guess we're good. Oh God, my shop! No! Oh, you! That's gonna fall over.
What's going on over here? Oh, I see you're trying to make a shop. Hey, you have a security camera too.
No, don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Can someone get my head?
Sucker.
You give me my head.
Okay.
Get over here.
Oh,
No. I just bought a new arm last week.
I'm so sorry for you.
Hey.
Don't look at him.
My head again. I'm out of here.
No. Okay then.
Look at me.
No.
Okay, people. I'm going home.
Okay. There's a free shop today. It may not look as good as you think, but the is pretty sloppy. Because someone had to come here and mess it up. Well, there's a guy that's gonna come here in about 3 hours. 3 hours. Do you hear that? 3 hours. To go for me.
There goes the shop, people.
No, the bowling ball.
It's Peppermint Larry's shop.
Okay. This is all the free stuff in the shop. Where's all the free stuff?
There is
It's behind me. You can win this Ghost of Fury by only buying 2 Pepsis. Okay, okay. He's flying away now. Is he really? Is he really? No, he's got a stick. He's got a stick. Okay. Who are you looking at? Talking to my brother. My brother said that I don't like chocolate. Me. 3 hours later.
Oh, I'm back from the dead.
Why you guys
Back.
We decided to move in. All our stuff's in the car.
Okay. Oh, but I got some new visitors here.
You know what? I gotta get that approved with April. April, these 2 Hilligans wanna move in. What?
Okay. There's a new ghost in town. Hey, I would like to buy all your Pepsi. I'm sorry.
The Fury Vengeance guy just took my wig.
That's my way. No! No! I take my your cellos. Oh no, what is this? What?
Okay, we're gonna end this and watch it. Watch it.